There's another one. That Easter bunny, he's crazy. Let's see, can we find some more? Okay, come over here. I think you left some over here. Come here. Look, in there by Daddy. Get your eggs. They're everywhere! Get your eggs. Oh, that Easter bunny, he's so great, isn't he? He is so sweet. Pick up your eggs. Oh, be careful.
Oopsies.
Pick up your eggs. Wait till you see what's inside. What do you think?